This is hands down our favorite ghost town in Colorado. Prepare to be surprised. Not only can you explore the grounds of this former mining community in southern Colorado, but you can actually stay the night in one of the restored former mining cabins. To make it even better, they're restored luxuriously and part of an all-inclusive getaway in the San Juan Mountains. Guests get access to 3 natural, private hot springs, including a breathtakingly beautiful indoor hot springs and a historically inspired bathhouse. This is a 5-star escape like no other, and it's rich with history. The Dunton mining settlement was founded in 1885 and never grew very big. Less than 50 people lived here, and by 1918, it was completely abandoned. It was later converted into a cattle ranch before it was then renovated to become a visitor getaway. But the new owners took great care to preserve the history and authenticity. The interior of the cabins was redone, but the exterior of the cabins is rugged and shabby and feels like they're transported directly from the 1800s.